Welcome to our exploration of gaming in 2025. Today, we'll discuss the evolving landscape of gaming, specifically unblocked gaming websites versus traditional gaming. Unblocked gaming websites are online platforms that allow you to play games without restrictions, typically at schools and workplaces. Examples include sites like Crazy Games and Armor Games. Traditional gaming includes consoles like PlayStation and Xbox, as well as PC gaming that provides a richer graphical experience. One major advantage of unblocked gaming is accessibility. You can play from anywhere and often without downloads, making it super convenient. However, there are downsides. Many unblocked games can have limited graphics and features, not to mention potential security risks. Traditional gaming typically boasts superior graphics and a wider variety of games, ensuring a diverse experience for players. On the flip side, traditional gaming can be costly. The price of consoles, PCs, and the games themselves can add up quickly. Let's compare player experiences. Unblocked websites offer quick fun, while traditional gaming immerses you in expansive worlds with rich storytelling. Looking ahead, we expect both unblocked and traditional gaming to evolve, integrating more technology and innovating gaming experiences. In conclusion, the right gaming method for you depends on your preferences. Whether you value convenience or immersive experiences, the choice is yours in 2025.